Hi everybody, it's Mr. Lou, and today we're working on page 4. So this is page 4. Direction says, count on by ones, tens, hundreds, or thousands. Fill in the missing number. So one easy way of doing these is to write these up and down. So I'm going to do number 18 right now, and I'm going to take these numbers, and I'm going to write them up and down right now. So over here we have 2065, 2066, there's a blank, 2068, which is right over here. Then I have another blank over here. And then I have 2070. So if I look at this is a lot easier for me to see. If I look at this, I notice that I'm moving up, or I'm counting on by my ones, because my thousands are the same, my hundred space is the same, my 10 space is pretty much the same, but my one space, or my ones place value spot, is moving up. That's 5, that's 6, so the next one would be, of course, 7. So that would be 2065, 2066, over here would be 2067, 2068, and after 68 would be, of course, 69. So we have 2069 and 2070. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to write my answer right over here. 2065, 2066, over here would be 2067, 2068, and over here would be 2069. Okay. Now let's do the next one, number 19. And here's a little tricky because I have two blanks. So I have a blank, blank, 7,543, 7,553, and 7,563. So again, like I said before, to make it much easier, I'm going to write these numbers up and down. So right now I have a blank, so I'm going to draw a line, another blank, draw another line, then I have 7,543, 7,553 over here, 7,563, and then I have another blank over here. So if I look at my numbers right now, I notice that, again, I am counting by my tens spot. Because if you look at my thousands, I have 777, it's all the same. If I look at my hundreds, I have 555, all the same. If I look at my tens, I have 4, 5, 6. So I know I'm counting by my tens. If you look at my ones, I have 333, so that's the same as well. So right now I know I'm counting on by tens. So let's count on and fill this last one out because it's a lot easier to do. So over here I have 7,543, 7,553, 7,563. Now if I'm counting on my tens, after 63 should be 73. So I have 7,573. Now I want to fill in the ones beforehand. So before I do that, I want to write in my answer first, which is 7,573. Now let's count backwards because I'm going backwards. So that's 73, 7,563, 7,553, 7,543, and before 43 would be, of course, 33. So my answer for here would be 7,533, and before 33 would be 23. So I'd have 7,523. And I'm going to put my answers over here, and then I'll double check. So over here I have 7,523. And my next answer, one second. And my next answer over here would be 7,533. So I'm going to check my answers right now to see if that makes sense. 7,523, 7,533, 7,543, 7,553, 7,563, and 7,573. And that makes perfect sense. Okay, so you guys can do number 20 and 21 by yourself. So what I want you to do right now is hit pause and do those problems right now. Take a scrap paper if you need to. Write the numbers up and down. It makes it a lot easier for you. And when you're done with that, hit unpause and we'll do number 22. Okay, so you guys should have finished 20 and 21. Let's do 22. It says count by tens, color the rocks the frog jumps on. So again, we're counting by our tens place value. So if we look at our tens place value, it's right here, and that's 7. So we're going to leave the 1 the same, the 0 the same, and the 6 the same. And we want to make sure we're counting on by tens, which is over here. So right now this is 1076, and after 76, it's 86. So if you look at that, oops, 1 second, that would be 1086. Because again, that 7 goes to a 8 in that tens place. And that 8 goes to a, after 8 goes to a 9. So we're jumping over here, 1096. Alright? And if you have 86, 96, after 96 would be 106. So if you look at it, we need 1106, which is right next to it right over here. 1106. Okay? I think you guys can try the rest by yourself. Good luck, and let's get started.